set my GoPro out last night to do a nightscape, just like time lapse, and it ended up raining. You'd think that'd, you know, ruin my plans, but yesterday after talking to everyone, between the border struggle, the border conflict with Eritrea, the currency changing, it's lost half of its value, and there's been a drought lately, so everything has been dry. And on top of that, there's the coronavirus and the pandemic. So life here has just kind of been shitty and gotten shittier. So I'm happy that it rained for their sake, because the raining season doesn't come for another couple months. It's kind of a sad state altogether. I was talking to a young girl last night about how she wants to go to school, but there's no opportunity for her.
After too much, I want to school.
Yeah.
Why this time this no want the hagar manor alfadlig.
Yeah.
No want this here.
Oh.
No live. I want to. No want.
So, just gonna take my time and enjoy this morning. Show you what morning in the countryside of Ethiopia looks like. Going out to the bathroom called the Shintbait. This is funny because the direct translation is piss house or urine house, pee house. And here it is. It's kind of small. I don't fit very well. That's it. No running water. It's a hole in the ground. If you come out to use the restroom, you bring a little container of water, like a teapot, plastic teapot type thing to wash up when you're done. I bring napkins or a toilet paper roll out with me. Do your thing. Then as soon as you step out, look, surrounded by a coffee forest. It's different. It's different. Salam. እንደምን አደርክ? Looks like it's time for all the kids to go to school. Salam. Aman?
Aman no.
Dehana. Goodness.
ነይቺ ጊዜ ገጥሟቸዋል
أصلاً يتعرفوا بس على قصابنا برسلوا لا يدرقلي هو تاج نيم هو نيني ما أجي تبي نبغى شوفي ها فاتو ترجم
هذا كنت ملصق ليه فهم شوي إيه نفاسنا كنا ولا
ما لا ساجي تاجي ولا ساجي بيتها يبغى بدي أجي عشان خاطر بيتها تراش من الزاقة تبدي الجنة وانا قر وهي ما شاء يكون ما شاء ها نعم هو ها
يعني بيت أمريكا فرد
نعم هذا تسرسو
يعني سنة برد
لغية لا شينك واس عندي أنا قاسم قول ولا بكرة أقول ودي ولا هذا وهذا هذا وهذا عطش
وهم ضاروا لا يتقبل بس
تدخل لو